The new glasses. Hello, my name is Ben. Hello, my name is Rosie. This is Grandpa. This is Grandpa's van. It's fantastic. Ben, Rosie's brother. Rosie, Ben's sister. Grandpa. Clunk, Grandpa's robot. Max, Ben's friend. A boy in the playground. Now let's read this story. The new glasses. Ben and Max are in the school playground. Are you wearing new glasses? Max asks. Yes, says Ben. Do you like them? They're very nice, says Max. Some boys are playing a game with a ball. Can we play too? Max asks them. Okay, says the boy with the ball. Ben takes off his new glasses. I can't run and play in them, he says. The boy with the ball shouts, Catch! He throws the ball to Ben. But Ben is putting his glasses in his pocket. The ball hits the glasses and they fall. The boy runs to Ben. I'm sorry, he says. Are your new glasses okay? Max asks. Ben looks at the glasses. He is sad. No, look, he says. They're broken. Ben has a bad day at school. He sits down close to the board, but he can't see the numbers on it. His teacher writes a question, but Ben can't read it. At 4 o'clock, Rosie sees Ben. Where are your new glasses? She asks him. Soon, Grandpa and Clunk are here. Where are your new glasses, Ben? Asks Clunk. Ben is very sad. At home, Ben gets some tape and sits down at the table. What are you doing? Asks Rosie. I want to fix my glasses, says Ben. You can't fix them with tape, says Grandpa. Ben gives his broken glasses to Grandpa. Can you fix them for me, please? He asks. No, says Grandpa, but I can make you some fantastic new glasses. I can give them to you at breakfast. In the morning, Grandpa gives Ben his new glasses. Thanks, Grandpa, says Ben. Grandpa looks out the window. It's a sunny day, he says. Let's ride our bikes to school today. Great, says Rosie. Soon they are on their bikes. Max is there with his bike too. Let's go, says Grandpa. We can ride on the bike path. Ben is happy. He likes his new glasses. They come to a bridge over a road. A cat runs in front of them. Ben, shouts Rosie. Don't hit that cat. Ben stops his bike, but his new glasses fall. Oh no, shouts Ben. Quick, says Rosie. Get your glasses, Ben. But there is a strong wind. The glasses are on the bridge, and then, oh no, they fall onto the road under the bridge. Quick, clunk, Ben says. Please get them. A car's coming. But Clunk can't get the glasses. Ben watches the car. It's coming at the glasses. The man in the car can see them. And then the car doesn't hit the glasses. They're okay, says Max. But there is a big yellow school bus on the road too. It doesn't go close to the glasses. It goes on them. Oh no, says Ben. Now they're broken too. The glasses fly up. Catch them, Ben, says Grandpa. Ben looks up. He jumps with his hands out and catches the glasses. Then he looks at them. They're not broken. Grandpa makes fantastic, strong glasses, says Clunk. At school, the boys in the playground are playing with the ball again. Ben looks at Max. Let's play, he says. Ben does not take off his glasses. He runs and shouts, "Throw the ball to me."